You still working with the client 6 weeks in because you didn't address some of the issues that should have been addressed ahead of time before you even started. They have some childhood trauma that is associated with it. How you were raised has a lot to do with how you shop today as an adult. I'll never forget, I had a client, I didn't believe her until I actually came to her home. And she goes, "Oh, everything I wear is Walmart." And I was like, "Yeah, right. I know everything you got ain't Walmart." We did have to tap into some mindset plus money mindset. She couldn't see in her mind to spend $60 on a pair of jeans. If you don't coach them through those things, it is going to make your job a whole lot difficult. You start to pick out all of the finds, you start to put those outfits together, they open up that virtual closet and they're like, "Oh, I like it," but and they don't buy anything. Then what happens? You should have already offboarded that client. You still working with the client 6 weeks in because you didn't address some of the issues that should have been addressed ahead of time before you even started.